So let's get into it. Today we are going to do a silk press on natural hair. So step by step, stay tuned. First, I want to say welcome to my channel and thanks for watching. We're going to shampoo 3 times. First with Influence Rosemary Mint, next with Design Essentials Oat Protein and Henna, and third with Design Essentials Almond Avocado. Don't worry, all of the products are linked in the caption. You're going to want to make sure you're rinsing thoroughly in between each shampoo and be sure to cleanse the hair thoroughly. We use Sebastian Penetraitt, and under the dryer for 15 minutes she goes, then we rinse with cool water. We spray our leave-in conditioner and detangle. Next, we're going to blow dry through each section of the hair. A great blowout is a great blow dry. Making sure to blow dry the hair as straight as possible. You won't have to work as hard when you flat iron. So here we just apply your serum all over the hair and the ends, and you're going to flat iron each section, taking about 1/4 inch partings and chasing each section with a carbon comb. Now don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell if you want to see more videos like this.
Go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
So now we are going to trim and add layers. So first we'll go through and cut the perimeter. Then we're going to add some long layers throughout the hair. And you're going to notice I'm going to point cut through to give the hair some nice movement once we add the curls. Don't forget to have your client tilt their head down slightly so you'll have the straightest cut possible.
I never answer to no, man, I still go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought.
Apply a little more heat protection serum and get prepared to curl the hair. Here I take larger sections, about 1/2 inch, and we're just going to do a light curl to give her a nice bend and a feathered look.
Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you never answer to no, man, I still go.
Now get into this comb out. Her hair is so silky and shiny. She has so much body. She's loving it, and so am I.
Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave.
I hope this video has taught you something today, give you some more tips and tricks for your blowout. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching.
Complain, just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want.